have money problems? Well, today I'm going to go over 5 methods of making money online. Yes, you really can do it, so stay tuned until the end of this video so you make sure you get all of the 5 ways of making money online. There's a special bonus waiting for you at the end of the video, so make sure you don't miss out. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm get the right kind of content to you, and it helps us get the right kind of people viewing our content. My name is Nasser. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2008. I've been investing in property and real estate back since 1997. I want to help you earn online so that you can eventually invest in property, which is the best way to go. It doesn't matter whether you're male, female, professional, non-professional, you can do this. So what is freedom? Well, freedom is in 3 parts. One is location freedom. You want to be able to work where you want to work and not be tied to an office. Time freedom. You want to be able to work when you want to work, not be tied to someone else's timeline. And you want financial freedom. Financial freedom is where you don't have to rely solely on your job or eventually your job at all to be able to pay your bills. And this is a really good place to be in. So let's get into these 5 ways of making money online. So YouTube is king. There's over 2 billion people logged in every single month. 75% of adults use YouTube. 75% of 15 to 35-year-olds are on YouTube. 80% of parents with kids under 11 say they're all on YouTube. YouTube is going to be the future. People are browsing YouTube to learn, to consume. You can monetize by uploading other people's videos. YouTube Shorts are kicking off in a huge way to compete with TikTok. YouTube will pay you once you hit a certain viewing threshold, which is not that difficult. And there's so many other ways to monetize with YouTube. So YouTube is the #1 way to make money online. Number 2 is to become a freelancer. So do you have a skill? Maybe you're a virtual assistant. You can earn $5 to $20 an hour. You could be an interior designer. You could be a movie editor. You could be a Photoshop editor. Or you could do social media management. I have literally just hired in the last week or 2 people from Fiverr who will manage some of my social media posting for me, managing some of the posts. And you can get paid $10 to $100 plus per job online. And you can look on websites called Upwork and Fiverr. Really easy to get started there. How about this one? Rent a friend. The world has become an increasingly lonely place. People are sitting at home alone and they just need some company. And you can be paid $50 to $50 an hour just to be someone's friend. Check out Rent a Friend. I think it's .com and you can check them out. Number 4, and I think this is the best one, is affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to earning online is affiliate marketing. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You learn internet marketing while marketing products that are already selling. You can generate cash while you learn, earn while you learn. So how does affiliate marketing work? Well, you recommend or review a product or service on your website, your blog, or your YouTube channel, as we spoke about earlier. Someone clicks on your link or buys something, your commissions are tracked. So if someone clicks on your affiliate link, a commission will just be paid directly to your account. And it really is that simple. You just have to take care to build a long-term business, and this works. And number 5 is coaching and mentoring. When you're more advanced, you can become a coach. You can help others to progress on their journey. You can develop your own program and help as many people as you can gain fulfillment by helping people. And this is the 5th and really very strong way of making money online. So as your bonus, I've included a link below on some training that's reserved for high ticket paying clients. Is how to maximize your time. Time is the most valuable commodity, guys. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the training right now. So you have people that are superstars, business superstars. You have Bill Gates, Elon Musk, you have Jeff Bezos. But what do these guys have in common with you? Well, they have the same time available as you do. They just use it better than we do. Time is the most valuable commodity. If you lose 1K, 10K, you can make it back, but you can't make back time. So I urge you to stop wasting time. Imagine if your time was worth $10 an hour, would you waste it? What about if your time was worth $100 an hour? Would you waste it? What about if someone paid you $1,000 an hour? Would you waste it, or would you make use of every single second? Ryan Serhant is a super successful real estate broker in the US. He splits his time into 15-minute chunks, accounts for every 15-minute chunk in the day, and what he's doing with it. Very, very few people can get to this level, and that's why very few people are at his level of finance. So think of each 15 minutes as $100. Work out your day, concentrate on not wasting any time, and you can improve every single day. Think of each 15 minutes as $100. It will change your way of. So what are the biggest losers of time? You want to get rid of these. Wasting time on social media, binge watching Netflix, gaming online, or sometimes overanalyzing. These are things that you really want to avoid. So what are the solutions? Focused activity. Focus on one thing and just nail that. Is your current activity progressing towards your goals or not? If not, get rid of it. Learn to prioritize and learn to delegate, which is another video that I'll do. So, what does FOCUS stand for? FOCUS stands for follow one course until successful. And I can't stress this enough. It's super powerful. So what are the next steps for you? I always urge people to take action. Knowledge without action stays as knowledge. Don't be a dreamer. Take action. You can get started with your online business or moving yourself onto the next rung of the ladder with as little as $7, which is nothing, guys. So click the link below, find out more.